we will guide you through how to create door in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Create a new drawing by clicking New on the Start screen and selecting the appropriate drawing template. Set the drawing units by typing units in the command line, pressing Enter, and selecting millimeters as the project unit. Draw the wall using the line command and create a wall thickness of 50 millimeters. Set the wall length to 150 millimeters and make sure it is positioned correctly in the drawing. Draw the hinge point on one side of the opening to serve as the center of the door swing. Next, create a 900 millimeters door opening inside the wall. Use the line command to complete the wall opening and clearly define the space where the door will be placed. To create the opposite side of the opening, use the Copy command. Select the wall line, press Enter, specify a base point, type 950 millimeters as the copy distance, and press Enter to place the copied line accurately. Click the small arrow below the Arc tool and choose Start, Center, End. Select the edge of the door leaf as the starting point, the hinge point as the center, and the opposite endpoint to complete the door swing. Use the line command to draw the door leaf inside the 900 millimeters door opening, starting from the hinge side and extending toward the opposite side. Finally, add the door jamb or frame detail using the Offset command if needed. Then use the Trim command to remove any unnecessary line segments and clean up the drawing before saving. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed door drawing for future editing and ensure all changes remain safely stored for later use.